Hey everyone, welcome back. You know what? Summer's here. Kids are out of school. And you're going, now what? What are we going to do with these kids? We're going to create art. That's what we're going to do. I thought it would be fun to do a series of art projects for summer geared towards kids and adults if you'd like. This will be for all age types or age groups, and it's just to have fun. Let's create memories with our kids and create art. So the first project we are going to do is this dandelion art. And here's one I did, and here's another one. And this is really simple. And like I said earlier, we are just going to be using simple objects that we have at home. This is a little paper cup that's from the bathroom and a toilet paper roll. We have a cotton ball and some Q-tips or cotton swabs. I don't know if I'm allowed to say Q-tips. I don't know. And I am using a gel pencil, a white gel pencil as well. If you don't have it, you can use a paintbrush. Most importantly, we need some acrylic paint and scissors. And I have some black mixed media paper, and you need a heavy paper that you can use wet material on. So I don't think you should use construction paper, but it's called mixed media and it's already black, so you don't have to paint anything. So anyway, let's get started and create those memories with our kids. And most importantly, we need to have fun and let them have fun. All right, let's get started. Let's cut the round part of the cup with our scissors. And if you have real little kids, you might want to help them do this. And you're just going to make little cuts. And I'm going about halfway down on my scissor here. You can make these as long as you want, and you want the slices to be fairly close together. And we're just cutting all around the paper cup. That's simple, right? And we're going to do that on two different sizes. The bathroom cup will make a bigger circle. And you want to flatten them out before you start, before we get the paint on them. So that when we get the paint on them, they'll already be flattened. So there's one, and let's do the toilet paper roll. I'm not trying to be precise here, and we just need to let the kids have fun. So kids, just do it however you want. There's no right or wrong here. All right. Okay. Now I just have some white acrylic paint. And I have a plate here, and I'm just going to put some acrylic paint on the plate. And I have a paper towel to dab a little bit if needed. And we are going to start with the bigger piece of paper. And you're just going to dip the outside of the cup with paint. And I'm kind of squishing it around a little bit because you don't want too much paint on your on the cup. All right, let's just get dabbing. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I tried a different acrylic paint earlier, and this one works a little better. So you want a thicker acrylic paint, but use whatever you have. You could probably use craft paint or oh gosh, tempera paint. And we're just going to make some different size. We're just blotting. That's all we're doing. And I think I'll do one more. Okay, I'm going to set these aside. And we are going to take the cotton swab, or the cotton ball, sorry. And I'm just dipping I kind of made a little cone of it, and I'm just dipping it. But you know what? Let it just go however you want to do it. And we're just going to make some little ones going off around. And then we're going to do one in each center of the flower you already did. Then we're going to take our cotton swab, and I'm just going to make some dots around the center of the flower. Dandelion. Dab, 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 dab. This should be fun. I'm just going to do a few here and there. All right, simple as that. Now I'm going to take my gel pen, and I am going to I'm going to make stems. So I'm going to just kind of, wherever I feel there's a spot here, just make a stem, go down to the bottom of the page. And I'm just drawing lines. That's all it is. Now the ones that are at the top, I'm just going to kind of come down here and make sure they go behind the flower. I'm going to just kind of make some lines up to those little blobs that I did. And we're going to like dab a little bit wherever I had those lines. And then you know how dandelions have the little pieces flying off? We're just going to make some of those. So those little dots that I made, I'm just going to draw some lines coming out from them. And one of the lines needs to be longer and squiggly. Then we're going to take that same gel pen, and I'm just going to make some lines coming out from the dandelion, and I'm kind of making a star, and I'm making all the lines meet in the middle. You can do this with a paintbrush too, if you don't have a gel pen. And then I'm going to take a little bit more with the cotton swab, cotton ball, and do in the middle where my lines kind of got a little funny. Anyway, I hope you had fun with your kids creating this dandelion art. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this is going to be a little mini series of art projects that are kid friendly. So be on the lookout. We're going to do, I think on the next video is going to be a silhouette, maybe a whale, maybe a little ocean scene with a whale. So you need to be watching out for that, and share with your friends, share with your family, because I think this will be a fun series for the kids and adults this summer, and let's create together. Catch you on the next one.